The legend continues, but this time it's evolved. Suzuki has officially unveiled the 2026 SV-7GX, a completely new crossover sport touring motorcycle that redefines the middleweight segment. While the beloved SV-650 and V-Strom 650 are being retired in some regions, Suzuki's heart, the legendary 645cc V-twin engine, lives on, reborn in a machine that blends sporty agility, touring comfort, and timeless character. This is the SV-7GX, and it's everything fans of the SV have been waiting for, and more. From the first glance, it's clear that the SV-7GX carries Suzuki's next-generation DNA, taking design inspiration directly from the GSX-S-1000GX, Suzuki's flagship crossover. Its aerodynamic bodywork was sculpted through extensive wind tunnel testing, giving it a refined, dynamic presence. The half-fairing, adjustable windscreen and integrated handguards not only project a premium touring vibe, but also serve a real purpose, reducing turbulence, minimizing fatigue, and offering protection for high-speed travel. Despite its sport touring stance, the SV-7GX remains sleek and compact, thanks to its narrow V-twin configuration. That layout gives it a more slender profile than the inline-4 GSX-S-1000GX, making it more aerodynamic and easier to handle in urban environments or winding mountain passes. Powering this new generation is the tried and trusted 645cc 90-degree V-twin, an engine that has powered over 500,000 motorcycles since its debut in 1999. In this new setup, Suzuki has reworked the air intake with a shorter outlet tube, delivering more punch at higher revs while maintaining smoothness in the low and mid-range. It produces 72.4 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 47.2 pound-feet of torque at 6,800 revolutions per minute, a perfect balance of responsiveness and control. Suzuki didn't stop there. The exhaust system has been completely redesigned into a 2-in-1 setup with dual O2 sensors, helping the engine meet Euro 5+ emission standards. This means cleaner performance, greater efficiency, and renewed global compatibility, hinting that the SV nameplate could soon make a full comeback worldwide. The SV-7GX gives riders total control through 3 distinct ride modes. Mode A offers the most direct throttle response for spirited rides. Mode B strikes the perfect balance for daily commuting or long tours. And Mode C softens the power delivery, limiting output to 60 horsepower, ideal for slippery or rainy conditions. Each mode transforms the personality of the bike, adapting to whatever the road demands. And speaking of control, Suzuki has equipped the SV-7GX with a full electronics package, a 3-level traction control system, dual-channel ABS, a bi-directional quickshifter, and low RPM assist to keep launches smooth and prevent stalls. It's all designed to make riding effortless and confidence-inspiring, whether you're tackling city streets or crossing mountain ranges. Structurally, the steel trellis frame, an SV hallmark, has been optimized for better rigidity and a lower center of gravity. Suzuki engineers carefully tuned the frame's flex characteristics, improving stability at speed while retaining the agile handling that SV riders have always loved. Ergonomics are perfectly balanced between sport and comfort. Compared to the SV-650, the handlebar sits higher and closer to the rider. The foot pegs are slightly lower, and the aluminum bar is wider, offering greater leverage. The seat height is 31.3 inches, just a touch taller than the SV-650, but with thicker padding for long-distance comfort. Even the passenger gets a better deal, with a 0.8-inch thicker pillion seat and a tubular steel rack that doubles as grab handles and luggage support. Suspension duties are handled by a 41mm telescopic fork up front with 4.9 inches of travel and a link-type rear monoshock with adjustable preload and 5.1 inches of travel at the rear. The braking setup remains strong and dependable. Dual 290mm discs with 4 piston calipers up front and a single 240mm disc at the rear, ensuring solid stopping power in all conditions. The 17-inch cast aluminum wheels come wrapped in Pirelli Angel GT2 Sport Touring tires, a perfect match for performance and durability. At the heart of the cockpit sits a bright 4.2-inch TFT display, featuring turn-by-turn navigation, smartphone connectivity, and a USB-C charging port. The display is crisp, intuitive, and designed for clarity, even under direct sunlight. A 4.6-gallon fuel tank gives the SV-7GX impressive range, while a curb weight of 465 pounds keeps it light and nimble for its class. And when it comes to looks, Suzuki nailed the blend of modern and heritage. The pearl brilliant white / metallic Triton blue celebrates Suzuki's racing colors. The pearl matte grage gives it a stealthy, modern touch, and the glass sparkle black brings a timeless, elegant presence. The 2026 Suzuki SV-7GX isn't just a new motorcycle. It's the rebirth of a legend, the evolution of an icon that defined midweight performance for over 2 decades. It honors the SV650's DNA, but steps into a new era with style, technology, and confidence.